Meanwhile, the carpenters are busy on the ground cutting and preparing the roof timbers. Note the bird's mouth cut in this rafter for fixing to the wall plate. In the roof, the carpenters are nailing the ceiling joists to a hanging beam. Down below, the carpenters are cramping the flooring boards for securely nailing to each floor joist. In the roof again, they are assembling and nailing into position the pre-cut roofing timbers. This tradesman is plugging the wall for the fixing of a door jamb, whilst an electrician sets a recessed switch box in the wall and securely cements it in position. The door jamb is now lifted into place, plumbed and nailed to the plugs.